Welcome to the world of Crescent Fine Furniture. Hello, I'm Kim Church, and I just happen to be in a bedroom where we're featuring the brand new Crescent Classics collection. And I just happen to be joined with the grandson of the founder of Crescent Furniture. Welcome in, Richard Tompkins. You are the third generation of the family-owned business. First of all, let's talk a little bit about the fact that you are the grandson of the founder. That's pretty impressive.
Well, thanks, Kim. We are really proud at Crescent to be in our third generation. We started over 60 years ago, and to this day, the family is still involved in every aspect of the operation, from manufacturing to marketing and sales to customer service. It really is a family affair.
Now, I want to talk a little bit about not only is it a family-owned business, but your customer service is superior, and that's another thing that differentiates you from all the other companies out there.
We want to take care of the customer because a customer that's happy is a customer for life.
Everybody's thinking about the environment. What have you done as a third-generation family-owned business to fill that need?
We start with North American hardwoods, primarily solid cherry and solid maple. That way we know where the woods come from. We want to make sure that we're using environmentally safe glues and finishes.
Okay.
All designed for a safer home environment.
Now let's talk about the brand new Classics collection. We are showcasing it right here. First of all, let's talk about this. Now, this is sort of the 21st century, right?
We're trying to bring furniture into the 21st century, Kim, and one of the ways we've done that is by incorporating media-friendly elements to the dresser. We start with a drop front drawer, which allows us to put a cable box or a DVR, and then when you're not using it, you can close it.
Now let's talk a little bit about opening and closing the drawer. Now, right now when it comes to kitchens, the big thing is the whisper drawer. You've actually taken that technology, and you're one of the first furniture companies to incorporate the whisper drawer into your bedroom furniture.
Kim, what we wanted to try to do is take that high-end element of whisper closed drawers, which you find in today's kitchens, and bring it into the bedroom. So in addition to the dovetailing that we offer on all of our drawers, we've added this whisper close feature. It just makes for a much better drawer.
Richard, we've got another innovative piece from the Crescent Classics collection. Let's talk about the nightstand.
Kim, what we've tried to do is incorporate those same great features from the media dresser, the whisper closed drawer slides, and we've added a push-through shelf that can go either to the left or to the right.
A lot of people get frustrated because they want to plug in their phone, they want to plug in their alarm clock, they want to plug in their lamp, and you've come up with a simple solution.
Kim, what we've done is we've added a 3-plug power strip to the back along with an 8-foot extension that's surge protected so that you can plug in all of those devices right on the desktop.
Give me a few adjectives that we could use to describe the Classics collection.
Well, we want to incorporate great style with quality and value available for all consumers.
Now remember, they've been in business for 60 years, Crescent Furniture. This is the brand new Classics collection. They've been here for 60 years, they're here today and here tomorrow.